New Palomino River Ranch is taking fifth wheel trailers to a level never before dreamed of and is already shaking up the market with its single level ranch style design. The River Ranch concept combines the best aspects of 3 different RV types, including the storage capacity and interior ceiling height of a Class A motorhome, the towability of a fifth wheel, and the single level living floor plan of a travel trailer. The River Ranch is the brainchild of Columbus lead engineer Ron Brown. Noticing the trend toward elevated rear living areas in fifth wheels to allow for more pass-through storage capacity, Brown wondered, what if the entire living area were elevated?
It's the ranch house concept is basically what it is. The ranch houses are the most popular house in America because people don't like to climb stairs in their house. Those same people go out and buy a fifth wheel though because they want the fifth wheel towability, and then they're climbing stairs. So this gives them the best of both worlds.
The team at Columbus figured out how to make that idea work without sacrificing too much overhead space in the interior, and by taking the 2 air conditioning units off the roof and moving them to the basement, allowing River Ranch to fill up the 13.5-foot height limit with living space rather than air conditioning units. By doing these changes, the River Ranch has 480 cubic feet of pass-through storage, which is way more than has been available in any towable. Why, many motorhomes don't even have 300 cubic feet of belly storage. Welcome aboard the River Ranch. Even as you enter the River Ranch, you'll see and feel the difference with its 36-inch door and the extra wide landing steps. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself stopping and looking around as you try and take in all the luxury, comfort, and amenities this single-level living space has to offer. In the living room, you'll find a large 88-inch trifold sofa sleeper, along with 66-inch theater seats, across from the 50-inch TV with JBL Aura sound system. Below the entertainment center is a beautiful and practical fireplace. If the interior looks and feels more spacious than other fifth wheels, that's because of the 7-foot ceiling height throughout the single-level ranch design. The kitchen and dining area include a large walk-in pantry and Samsung residential appliances, including a 23 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator with a Tuscan-style steel finish. Whoever said little things mean a lot must have been thinking about this River Ranch kitchen, as it's loaded with little convenience items that make a big difference. Like the residential kitchen sink, with an accessory kit that includes a smaller sink basin and cutting board. The large solid surface island and range countertops include pop-up 110-volt and USB charging outlets. The dining area is furnished with a large, nice-sized dining table and 2 large swivel chairs. The lavish bathroom includes a dual vanity cabinet with 2 porcelain surface-mounted sinks with waterfall-type faucets, dual mirrors with lights, and dual decorative towel racks. You'll also find extra storage space for towels or linen. And when it comes time for a shower, this roomy 60-inch by 30-inch shower also includes a folding teak seat. You may find that this bedroom is a place where you may want to spend more time in just relaxing during the day, as it definitely has everything you want to just lay back and relax, like the comfortable standard king-size bed. And right across from the bed is a slide-out that has a 50-inch pop-up TV and fireplace. One nice feature in the bedroom is the ceiling fan over the bed, which you won't find on other fifth wheels because only the River Ranch has enough ceiling clearance. There is more than enough closet space, and you also have the option of a stackable washer and dryer. The windows above the bed and behind the pop-up TV offer nice cross ventilation. The River Ranch goes way beyond just luxury and beauty, but also encompasses the safety, comfort, and environmental concerns of today's RVers. For instance, with safety in mind, the River Ranch comes with G-rated tires and TST's latest tire pressure monitoring system with internal sensors. When looking at the outside, you can't help but notice all the storage compartments, and that's because the River Ranch offers basement storage for the entire length of the unit. And if you're already an RVer, you know how important storage space can be. As we said, little things can mean a lot. The River Ranch is a Pedigree fifth wheel, designed and built to the highest standards that you'll want to share with your friends and loved ones. To learn more, please go to www.palominorv.com.